Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with an updo style on myself. This shorter hair makes fun to experiment some new styles, and I like for work to have my hair up, so I'm leaving here the strand from the front out, and then I do a little ponytail in the rear. In this ponytail I'm flipping over and I flip it to the head, so flip it inside, bring it through and pull. Then split half of the ponytail and the remaining hair into two parts and use another clear elastic to tie it into two pigtails. So one on the left hand side and the second one on the right hand side. If you have these two ponytails, grab a topsy tail tool if you have one, bring it to the other side and swipe through the ponytail diagonally, bring it through, then bring the right side to the left side, and you always go through the first ponytail that you flipped over. Pull, and now use some bobby pins. I had to use them because I have very thick hair and it would fall back into its original position. So grab the ends and bring them together, tie them together with another hair elastic. Any loose ends that then are sticking out, you just swipe under the bun. Use enough bobby pins, pin everything into place. This should last the whole day like it held on me, and I just love the movement that this style does. If you're new on our channel, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you back soon with a new tutorial. Bye bye and thank you for watching.